Hey guys, so tonight I'm going to show you a very neat web app that you can use to control your screen without moving your mouse. Why do you need that? Well, sometimes you're holding your food when you're trying to research or trying to watch a video. So, this is how you do it. Tags, BS, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, auto scroll. So untag. So it's auto scrolling if you want to read something. How cool is that? Scroll down, and if you want to go back, you just say back, back, back. Tags, CF, AF, scroll down, FY. Next, scroll down, scroll down, DB, auto scroll, untag. How cool is that? So this is a web app called Lipsurf, uh, and it's for free. That's it. Bye bye.